Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign in to the Zoom app on your mobile device. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, tap your Zoom app on your mobile device to launch it. Once the app opens, you'll see the main screen where you'll need to click on Sign In to access your account. Now, here's where you have several options to choose from depending on how you want to sign in. You can enter your email or phone number in the designated field if you prefer the traditional method. Alternatively, Zoom offers multiple convenient sign-in options including Continue with Google, Continue with Apple, Continue with Facebook, Continue with Microsoft, or Continue with SSO. These options make it easier to sign in using your existing accounts without having to remember separate credentials. For this example, I will tap Continue with Google, but you can select whichever method works best for you. This option is particularly useful if you already use Google services regularly, as it streamlines the sign-in process. Next, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your device. Tap the Google account you want to use for signing into Zoom. This allows you to link your Zoom account with your preferred Google profile. After selecting your account, tap Continue to proceed with the authentication process. This confirms your choice and allows Zoom to verify your account information securely. Finally, tap Launch Zoom to complete the sign-in process and access your Zoom account. This will take you directly into the app where you can start or join meetings, view your scheduled sessions, and access all of Zoom's features. And that's it. You're now signed into Zoom on your mobile device and ready to connect with others through video meetings and calls. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.